Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Crazy Egg detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Crazy Egg website URL. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the web page loads, look for the login button. This button is typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Double-check your credentials to avoid any mistakes. If you want to stay logged in, check the box that says Remember Me. Once everything is entered correctly, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the page to refresh. If your credentials are accurate, you will be taken to your Crazy Egg dashboard. In case of any errors, check the email and password for correctness. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After successfully logging in, you can start using Crazy Egg's features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.